do you think Facebook in particular is so important for people like yourself who are running for council or mayor or even people in parliament?
I think it's very important that we engage with young people through social media, especially because young people don't vote. Now, I have engaged as much as I can. I've invested money on Facebook trying to engage what young people feel, what they want in the future. And I've done that through polls, and I think that's been quite effective. It engages a lot of people, a lot of different opinions, which I welcome. And we talk about the issues that might matter to young people. So bringing concerts and sports to Hamilton is the perfect example.